lesson today is about the cases of ترقيق الراء, making it light. So the first case, case number 1, is when the ra has a kasra. So as you can see here, فاطري, the ra here has a kasra. So I'm going to pronounce it فاطري, light. Okay, case number 2, if the ra is sakina, okay, if the ra is sakina and it's preceded by a kasra, okay, in this case I'm going to pronounce it as a light letter. For example, أميرت, as you can see the ra here is sakina and it's preceded by a kasra, so أمير, this it's light. Okay, the next case, case number 3. Case number 3, if it's sakina, if the ra is sakina and a ya sakina preceded by a ya sakina, in this case we will have tarqeeq, no matter kind of vowel preceded it, whether it's kasra as here preceded the ya, whether it's kasra or if it's fatha, okay, whether it's ya maddiya or ya لينة, لا يا لين. So in these two cases, 3 and 4, the ra will be pronounced as a light ra when we stop on it. So we say الخبير, الطير. So when the ra is sakina because الوقف, because stopping, we will look at the letter before it. Here we have ya sakina. So in this case we're going to pronounce the ra as light ra because it's preceded by ya sakina. Okay, so one of the mistakes is to say al-khabir. No, of course, the ra here is sakina and preceded by ya sakina, so al-khabir. And al-tayr, it's light, it's muraqqaqa. This is for case 3 and 4. The next case, case number 5, is when the ra has tanween kasr. So we say, for example, here khattarin, it's light, we pronounce it light. Case number 6, the tilted ra. For example, مجريها, here the word مجريها by Hafs in Surah Hud is muraqqaqa. Because what? Because of the imala of the alif. And that means that the ra here in مجريها is muraqqaqa. Why? Because of the alif here has imala. So this is the way the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us in Hafs. So we say مجريها, ريها, not مجراها, مجري, re, this sound which is the light sound, and we pronounce it muraqqaqa, مجريها. Let's move to case number 7. Case number 7, if the ra is sakina and the letter before it is sakin too, and the letter before that has kasra, okay, has kasra, as in the word hijr. If you look here in this word hijr, the ra here is sakina because of the stopping. You know, it has a tanween kasr, but because of stopping, this tanween kasr will turn into a sukun, and now the ra is sakina. Okay, if you look before the ra, I'll find jim, which is also sakin letter. Okay, if I look at the letter before the ra, I'll find a kasra, hi, the letter ha, which has a kasra. So in this case I'll make this ra light, so I say hijr, not hijr, no, hijr, this light sound.